Brockzilla and Quinn Kong, and today we have the cool Pokemon Funko Pocket Pops for Christmas Advent Calendar. There's 24 days. Let's go ahead and open this up. Day number 1. Oh, here's what it looks like. Boom. Let's go ahead and open day number 1. Do you want odd and all right, you got odd. Here.
That thing's tough. That thing's at that door, though. That thing's right at that door.
It's Caterpie.
Caterpillar.
No, his name's Caterpie.
Oh, that name was Caterpillar.
It's Caterpie, one of my favorites.
Back your turn. Let's get the pictures already.
Eevee!
Eevee? Eevee?
Eevee! Wait, didn't we do this last year?
No, we did a different one. We did a different one. The duck guy that his mind explodes. I forgot his name.
It's this guy's cool. Comment the names. Hey,
Charmander!
It's Charmander! Day 5.
Charmander! Oh, not.
Oh, it's one of the Eevee evolves.
I think that the plant makes one.
Whoa, that's cool.
Plant one.
Let's open day 6.
Day 6. Wow. Is this another Charmander? No, that's a. Oh, that's a Tarzan. That's a Tarzan.
Charizard.
Yeah, we got a Charizard.
We have Charizard. Let's open day 7.
Nothing happened. 7 creatures. 7 Pokemon, I mean.
Ooh, it's Flareon. Another Eevee evolve. That's really cool. It's the penguin guy. Let's go ahead and open day 9.
Wait, I like him. I have a lot of Pokemon cards. I have a Christmas one of him.
Oh.
Like Snowball. Okay. This penguin.
It's another one of the Eevee evolves. He's really cool. He's the water one.
No, that's not an Eevee evolve.
Yeah, it is. Yeah, it is. It's the water one.
No, that's
His name's like
that's a
Water.
whole other thing. That's one of the Thea horses. That's a whole. No, that's not the evolve.
Oh, Squirtle! This is my favorite. He's a turtle.
He's number 10.
I like turtles.
I hate turtles. And I like Thea horses. I'll open them.
Ooh. It's that kangaroo guy.
It's not a kangaroo, it's a fox.
Okay. Good to know.
Day number 12.
Day number 12.
I already know who he is. I saw him pop out.
Oh, it's another Eevee evolve.
I only have this guy. Can I have that Eevee evolve on my side?
It doesn't matter.
Oh,
it's open day 13. Ooh, this guy's cool.
Whoa. That's a lion. It's a lion. And it's the police pet for the police guards always. Only the policemen have that as a pet.
Let's open day 14. Ooh. Oh, it's that otter guy. Oh, it's that bird guy.
Pigeon.
He's cool.
His name's Pigeon. That's the name.
Pigeon?
Yeah, that's their name.
Oh, it's another Eevee evolve. There's a lot of Eevee evolves in here. I don't know why they made so many Eevee evolves. A Bulbasaur. Bulbasaur. This one.
Yeah, put him with his brother.
Number 18. It is.
Who's that?
Whoa. This guy's cool. He's like a squid. Let's open day 19 next.
He had 2 balloons in his hands.
What the heck? Who is this man? Oh, is that Snorlax?
Yes, I think
Oh,
that's
it's
the dog.
Snorlax.
I think that's the kid. The kid Snorlax.
Baby Snorlax.
Yeah, I think that's his name.
Oh, it's that bunny guy.
Oh.
Fire bunny.
That's not a name.
I know, I'm just saying.
I don't remember. He doesn't even have
Ooh, let's
a
open day 21 now. Who is it? Oh, is that water guy? That whale guy?
I thought it was Pokemon card a little bit ago. I thought it was Pokemon card last night. Pikachu!
Pikachu!
Even I got that.
Let's open day 23.
Oh yeah, his glue broke. Back, look, you can see his glue for his other foot on the side.
It's an Eevee evolve. Let's open day 24. Drum roll, please.
I hope they have a real.
It's Charizard. Boom, boom, boom.
The Abomination one. Yay.
These were really cool. I like this. Go check out our Star Wars one. This was really cool, and I hope you enjoyed it. My favorite guy is Squirtle.
Penguin. My favorite guy is the penguin. That is no wolf in my Pokemon card. He did though.
These are really cool.
Really cool fighting Pikachu.
Actually, I should from Guy. Caterpie is my fave.
Caterpillar. I call him Caterpillar and Brooke calls him Caterpillar.
Thank you for watching Braxilla and Quinn Kong. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to smash that like button and subscribe if you have not. Bye-bye.
Pikachu's mad. Look at his face. He's mad.
Last advent calendar, there
Then
was like
he's
hundreds of Pikachus. This time they made it more diverse with different characters.
But there was hundreds of Eevees.
Yeah, there was hundreds of Eevees. I need to work on that.